Good morning, students. Today I am here to teach you chapter 11 from theme 5, Our State. Chapter name is Location of States on the Map of India. In this chapter, we will study about location of states with the help of map. So focus here. So look at this chapter. Here is given some map, and with the help of map we are just to discuss about the location of states. So many map is given here. Okay. Now I am going to start from here. India is a beautiful country blessed with natural resources. इंडिया जो है वो बहुत खूबसूरत कंट्री है और उसमें बहुत सारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज भी हैं। वो इंडिया में जो हैं काफ़ी सारे ऐसे रिसोर्सेज हैं जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा नेचुरल हैं और इंडिया इसके कारण ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत माना जाता है। India has one of the oldest civilization in the world and the 7th largest country in area in the world. India जो है वो one of the oldest civilization है पूरे वर्ल्ड में and 7th largest country है area in the world. It is the second most populous country after China. चाइना के बाद इंडिया जो है वो second most populous country कहलाता है. It covers an area of 32,87,263 square kilometer extending from the snow-covered Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforest of the south. ये जो है इतने स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया को क्या करता है, कवर करता है, मीन्स 32,87,263 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया को वो क्या करता है, कवर करता है. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द स्नो कवर्ड Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforest of the south. As the 7th largest country in the world, India stands apart from the rest of Asia, marked by the mountains and seas, which give the country a distinct geographical entity. The geographical area comprises 2.4% of the total area of the world. You can see in the given map on page number 87. 7th largest country in the world, India stands for apart from the rest of Asia, marked by the mountains and the sea. You can see here very clearly, which give the country a distinct geographical entity. Now next is look at the political map of India. Here is given India is divided into 28 states, 9 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. In the extreme north is the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Kanyakumari lies at the southern tip of the mainland of India. New Delhi is India's capital. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our country is about 3,965 km long. And from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, it is about 2,457 km. India is the widest in the middle and becomes narrow towards the south. Gujarat has the longest coastline, 1600 km in India. The southern part of India is surrounded by 3 big water bodies. In the east, Bay of Bengal. In the west is Arabian Sea, and towards the south is Indian Ocean. India is the only country in the world which has an ocean after its name. Now look at here. On page number 89 in your book, list of states and union territories of India and their capitals. There is given state names and their capitals. So you students have to learn these states and capitals name. Look at here. These are the state names and their capitals. Now next point is physical division of India, landforms and rivers. First point is our country is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, desert, plains, coast and island. हमारा कंट्री जो है इन सब चीज़ों से मार्क किया गया है. These are, first one is the mountains in the north, Himalayan mountains. Second one is the northern plains. Third one is the Great Indian Desert in the west. Fourth one is the Peninsular Plateau in the south. Fifth one is the coastal plains. And the last one is the Iceland. See, look at this map. India physical map. This is the Indian physical map. You can see here there is given mountains, plains, desert, plateau, coastal plains. These all are marked by given color. Next topic is rivers of India. On the basis of source, the Indian rivers are divided into Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. अब सोर्स के बेसिस पे इंडिया का जो रिवर है वो दो रिवर्स में डिवाइडेड है. कौन कौन? एक हिमालयन रिवर्स और एक पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स. द हिमालयन रिवर्स आर रिवर्स विच ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द हिमालयन ग्लेशियर्स. हिमालयन रिवर्स वो रिवर्स होते हैं जो हिमालयन ग्लेशियर से ओरिजिनेट होते हैं. कौन कौन है वो हिमालयन रिवर्स? नाउ लुक एट हियर. फर्स्ट वन इज़ द इंडस रिवर सिस्टम. सेकेंड वन इज़ द गंगा रिवर सिस्टम. थर्ड वन इज़ द यमुना रिवर सिस्टम. फोर्थ वन इज़ द ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर सिस्टम. द पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स ऑन द अदर हैंड डू नॉट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम ग्लेशियर्स. पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स जो है वो ग्लेशियर से ओरिजिनेट नहीं करता, जबकि हिमालयन रिवर्स जो है वो हिमालयन ग्लेशियर से ओरिजिनेट करता है. सम ऑफ द पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स आर, फर्स्ट वन इज़ द महानदी, सेकेंड वन इज़ द कृष्णा, थर्ड वन इज़ द कावेरी, फोर्थ वन इज़ द नर्मदा, fifth one is the Tapi, and etc. Now the chapter has finished. Hope you students understood this chapter properly. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay at home.